In the last class, I had started off with the summary of the chapter Gender, Religion, and Caste. Today, we are proceeding the same chapter along with NCERT. The chapter is comprising of three different, what you call as areas: gender, religion, and caste. And अभी तक कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि there have been confusions relating this because certain questions like politics and caste and politics, both the questions look similar. So you have to be very particular while you are doing this particular chapter. Gender से आपके gender related questions है, like the participation of women in the political in the front. Secondly, आपका how are women still discriminated है. Then religion में you have what makes India a country secular country, वो है. Then politics में how is caste, मतलब कि how these things are politicized in the political sense. Caste के अंदर what are some of the areas जहाँ पे आज भी casteism prevail करता है, and some of the areas जहाँ से casteism is now not mentioned. So some of these important questions you have to take care of. Now these are the broad questions, right? So let us start the chapter along with NCERT. Side by side, I'll be underlining or highlighting the important points. You can just note down. इससे पहले एक चैप्टर था क्लास 10 which we did not have in your, मतलब अब नहीं आपकी सिलेबस में, and that was the social differences. When it comes to the social differences, what happens is हमारे यहाँ पर we have many differences. Like you are born to a family, ठीक है. अब आपने अपनी फैमिली को तो चूज नहीं किया ना. You are born into a religion. You are born into a religion, लेकिन आपने अपने रिलीजन को चूज नहीं किया. You are born into a country, बट आपने अपनी कंट्री को चूज नहीं किया. तो अब ये जो तीनों चीजें हैं, they are where you it comes gender, caste और religion. So when it comes, so the problem is how the political parties, how do people in the politics इसको deal कर. तो अब हम लोग जो है नेचर ऑफ दिस डिविजन इंडिया के अंदर, हाउ इट इज डन एंड कैसे पॉलिटिक्स उसको डील करने की कोशिश. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ, ये आपका 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन है. ये जो आपका दिया है, दिस इज अ 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चन, दैट व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द सेक्सुअल डिविजन ऑफ लेबर्स. हमारे यहाँ पर इट इज very common that boys and girls are brought up to believe that the main responsibility of women is housework and bringing up children. मतलब अगर बच्चे में कुछ भी गलत होगा तो वो मदर की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बन जाती है हमारे यहाँ, which is wrong. And this is reflected in the sexual division of labor in most families. मतलब what is the meaning of that? Division of the work on the basis of their gender. In most families, women do all work inside the home, such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, tailoring, looking after children. And the men look after everything which is, वो घर का काम नहीं करते, क्योंकि उनका मानना है कि ये सारे जो काम है, दिस हैज टू बी डन ओनली बाय द, मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, तो लड़की है जो खाना बनाएगा. When These jobs are paid for, men are ready to take up these work. लेकिन यही काम, for example, if we say a chef, तो वो क्या करता है? The chef may be a male, लेकिन वो उस काम को करने के लिए तैयार हो जाता. Most tailors or cooks in hotels are men. ये आप लोगों को सबको पता है. In village, similarly, it is not that women do not work outside their home. In villages, women fetch water, collect fuel, work in field. In urban areas, poor women work as domestic helpers in middle class homes, while some work in offices. Majority of women do some sort of paid work in addition to domestic labor, but it's not valued and does not get recognition. उस दिन आपको मैंने शायद इसका एक एग्जाम्पल बताया भी था कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन इट कम्स टू एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज, इट इज द वुमेन हु इज सपोज्ड. शादी के बाद जॉब करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. बीइंग आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट फेमिनिस्ट क्लास 10, आई एम अ स्ट्रिक्ट फेमिनिस्ट, आई एम वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दिस, क्योंकि आई हैव फेस्ड ऑल दीज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. So as a mother, as a teacher, as a woman, I have never supported this. I had students. एक मेरी एक स्टूडेंट थी, बहुत नॉर्मल गर्ल थी, नॉट इंटेलिजेंट, बट एट द सेम टाइम नॉट. She completed her schooling from Greenway, and she was from the commerce background. Or commerce, maybe she was with maths. Now, what happened is when she was in 12th standard, उसका ब्रदर भी था, ही वाज इन, तो उनकी मदर का एक होता था कि मैम शी इज वेरी, मतलब कि इसको तो जो है हम लोगों ने बीए करवाना. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन केम कि वाई भाई, जब आप बच्चा कॉमर्स ले रहा है तो व्हाई नॉट द चाइल्ड शुड शी, मैम शी शुड डू ओनली टीचिंग जॉब. हमने तो उसकी शादी करवाना. On the other hand, the boy who was not that much intelligent, same school, उसको आईपी में बीबीए करवाया. And this girl did her entire graduation from correspondence, क्योंकि मैं ही पढ़ाती थी उसको बीए. This is how we discriminate. And I feel that this discrimination should not be there. And then what happens when a girl is married, then whatever work they do, it is just like, what work have you done? ये काम तो मेड भी कर लेती है. Yes, of course, maid भी कर लेती है, but maid will not have the love and affection what you are having. Maid will do for money. A mother never does anything for money. The result of this division of labor is that although women constitute half of the humanity, their role in public life, especially politics, is minimal in most societies. It is not only in India. In most of the societies, it is the same. Earlier, only men were allowed to participate in public affairs, vote and contest. Thanks God, India के अंदर ये चीज नहीं थी. India के अंदर शुरू से ही we had the universal adult franchise. So that is one positive act. Gradually, the gender issue was raised in politics. Women in different parts of the world organized, agitated. There were agitations in different countries for extension of voting rights to women. These agitations demanded enhancing the political and legal status of women. More radical movements, ये आपके पेपर में आता बच्चे क्वेश्चन, what is feminist movement, मतलब जिसमें इक्वालिटी हो. what is feminist is बच्चा where there is equality, दोनों तरफ इक्वालिटी होना चाहिए. शुड नॉट बी लाइक, इक्वालिटी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ओके हमने दोनों को स्कूल भेज दिया. द वर्क डिविजन, द एजुकेशन डिविजन, एनीथिंग विच इज इन द पर्सनल. जैसे हमारे यहाँ बहुत ही इन इंडिया देयर इज वन वेरी थिंग that a girl's money should not be used by parents. Why, bhai? Why should not be? गिव इट इक्वालिटी, इक्वालिटी लेकर आओ. Political expression of gender division and political mobilization on this question help to improve women's role in public life. In India, we are having a number of people in the main front. We now find women working as scientists, doctors, engineers, lawyers, managers, and university teachers, which were earlier not considered suitable for women. In some parts, ये आपका 1 marker question है. In Scandinavian countries such as Sweden, Norway, and Finland, the participation of women in public life is very high, not in all the countries. अब आपके पेपर में ये वाला क्वेश्चन आता है कि in India still जो हमारा what you call as participation है वो अभी भी कम. Why? Ours is a male dominated patriarchal system. Now, what is the meaning of patriarchal system? ये भी आपके यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Patriarchal मतलब the fatherly figure. Patriarchal मतलब the fatherly figure. मतलब घर में जो father या male member होता है, he has more power than women. Women face disadvantage, discrimination, and oppression in many ways. The literacy rate among women is only 54% compared to 76%. Similarly, a small proportion of girl students go for higher studies. उस दिन आपको मैंने ये example अपने ही एक student का बताया था कि she told me she was in this SRM university. तो she told me कि मैम मेरे क्लास के अंदर only 2 students out of 200 are female. And there is one very famous, incident about the same. I don't know how many of you are well aware of the famous Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is a very famous writer, but she is a computer teacher, university level lecturer. And of course, she is the wife of the great giant Infosys Narayan Murthy's wife. Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of UK, is her son-in-law. लेकिन सुधा मूर्ति जी बहुत मतलब मैं तो उनको फॉलो भी करती हूँ इंस्टा वगैरह पर भी. शी इज टू हम्बल. उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ था कि व्हेन शी वाज इन मतलब शी इज वेरी ओल्ड. When she was in her young age, so she had applied for she was मतलब कि engineer, so she had applied for the job in Tata. And what happened is कि जब उन्होंने टाटा में अप्लाई किया तो प्रॉब्लम क्या आई, that she was not given the job in the workshop, फैक्ट्री में. अब उन्होंने पूछा कि भाई फैक्ट्री में आपने मुझे क्यों नहीं दिया, वाई? उन्होंने कहा भाई बिकॉज यू आर फीमेल. शी रोट अ लॉन्ग लेटर. उन्होंने एक लंबी चौड़ी लेटर लिखी and she requested that she should be provided equal opportunity. तो अभी भी ऐसा होता है कि फैक्ट्री के अंदर the women are not allowed. There are so many areas, मैकेनिकल वगैरह में गर्ल्स नहीं जाती हैं. Even my daughter tells as a medical कि मम्मा मतलब she is in the surgery, तो कहते सर्जरी में गर्ल्स नहीं जाते. वो लोग हम लोगों को बोलते तुमने सर्जरी क्यों ले लिया, सर्जरी इज नॉट फॉर women, बिकॉज सर्जरी में तो कभी भी कॉल आ जाता है, एंड बीइंग व्हेन यू आर मैरिड तो तुम्हारी फैमिली तुम्हें अलाउ नहीं करेगी. देयर आर सो मेनी एरियाज जहाँ पे आज भी ऐसा माना जाता है. As I said, if you look into the results of class 10, you will find that 100 में से 95% toppers are girls. But then when you goes to 12th standard, then to the higher studies, ये data कम हो जाता है. This is how. When we look at school, ये मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ भाई, आप ही का बुक बता रहा है. The girls perform as well as boys, if not better in some places, but they drop out because parents prefer to spend their resources for their boys' education rather than spending equally on their sons and daughters. Of course, I can say that I belong to the sector where हमारे साउथ में तो फीमेल एंड मेल दोनों का इक्वल रहता है. एटलीस्ट आई एम सो हैप्पी. हमारे यहाँ दोनों इक्वली रहते हैं. इनफैक्ट गर्ल्स आर बेटर एजुकेटेड. No wonder the proportion of women among the highly paid and valued job is still very small. But if you look into the areas, जैसे आपका CEO, vice president of a company, you will see the male members, not the female. On an average, an Indian woman works 1 hour than an average man every day. कैसे? मतलब इसके ऊपर तो कई मीम्स भी हैं. There are so many memes also on this. This is because अगर आप एक लड़की को देखते हो, एक अपनी मदर को देखते हो घर में, she wakes up before everyone, does all the work, she doesn't take any, she has to be on her toes all the day, and later on she sleeps at the last. और men का restricted होता है, आए बैठे खाना खाया, ऑफिस गए, ऑफिस का 8 घंटा खत्म हुआ, उसके बाद दे डोंट हैव. Still women are not paid, often not valued. The Equal Remuneration Act 1976 provides that equal wages should be paid to equal work. जैसे हमारे कंस्ट्रक्शन वगैरह में अगर आप देखते हो, you will find that the females are paid less than. But in almost all areas of work, from sports and cinema to factories and fields, women are paid less than men. जबकि दोनों सामने. आपको इसका मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल भी दिया था, that even in the cinema celebrity industries there are only 3 or 4 celebrities जिनको equal मिलता अपने मेल काउंटर पार्ट से. Otherwise, you look into any serial, any movie, you will find females are paid less. Similarly, sports. The male sports हमारा जितना आगे जाता उतना हम फीमेल को नहीं देते. That is, in many parts of the countries, parents prefer to have sons and find ways to have the girl aborted before she is born. इसको हम कहते हैं फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड और फ्यूटिसाइड, यानी कि पेट में ही बच्चे को मार देना. वेरी 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 कॉमन इन इंडिया. वेरी 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 कॉमन इन इंडिया. मतलब sometimes being part of such things really even pain, मतलब अपने आसपास में भी देखते हुए पेनफुल रहता है when people say that oh female है. Such sex selective abortion led to a decline in child sex ratio. जैसे अगर आप दिल्ली का देखोगे ना, 874 फीमेल्स टू 1000 मेल्स. हरियाणा में भी कम है. It is good in Punjab, sorry, it is good in Kerala and some of the southern parts. ये आपका मैप है which shows the, see 951 to ये आपका केरला. You can see these are the जो पिंक कलर है वहां पे आपके फीमेल रेशियो अच्छे हैं. ग्रीन आपका तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका वगैरह. सदर्न स्टेट में you will find good ratio, but in the northern states you will find definitely less. Just imagine. There are reports, ये आपका अलग से पेपर में आता है. This is a separate question, class 10. कि how are female still harassed? आज भी है. In the work front they are harassed. मतलब जहां वो लोग काम करते हैं वहां पर भी उनको बोला जाता है. Then exploitation and violence against women, rape, murder, dowry deaths, domestic violence. These are all very common. Now, what is women's political representation? All this is well known. Yet, issues related to women's well-being or otherwise not given adequate attention. This has led many feminists, मतलब जब से हमने women को बराबरी नहीं दी है, तो भाई वो लोग आप मतलब कि आवाज उठाते हैं. This has led many feminist and women's movement to the conclusion that unless women control power, their problems will not get adequate attention. One way is to have more elected representatives. Like Margaret Thatcher was the first British Prime Minister, a women Prime Minister. In India, Srimati Indira Gandhi. She was not only a Prime Minister, she was also considered as an Iron Lady. तो बट कितने में अभी हमारा कौन सा मतलब कि इलेक्शन हुआ है और इतने सारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर में एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर हमारी विमेन रही. यू कैन सी इन द कंपनीज, इफ यू सी देर आर सम कंपनीज विच आर मैनेज्ड लाइक आपका मामा अर्थ, देर आर कंपनीज शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स, बट देन 100 में से 2. In India, the proportion of women in legislature has been very low. हमारे यहाँ पर I think Nirmala Sitharaman is one, Sushma Swaraj was one who was in the external ministry, मतलब they were in the key positions, or else mostly the women are not in the key positions. For example, the percentage of elected women members in Lok Sabha has touched 14.36, first time in 2019. This is what I said. Their share in the state assembly is less than 5%. In this respect, India is among the bottom group of nations where the among the several developing countries of Africa and Latin America. In the government, cabinets are highly male or even male, even when a woman becomes chief minister or prime minister. Just imagine. One way to solve this problem is to make legally binding to have a fair proportion of women in the elected body. हमारे यहाँ पर अभी तक जो legal bonding है वो है आपका which is there only in the local government, जहां पर 1/3 of the seats are reserved. Women reservation bill has been already passed, yet it has not been, अभी तो इस वाले में तो नहीं implement हुआ है. In the rural areas, you have more than 10 lakh elected women in the local government, जहां पर आप मतलब कि they are working as mayors, they are working as sarpanch, they are working as pradhan. Women's organization and activists had been demanding a similar reservation of at least 1/3 in Lok Sabha and State Assembly. A bill with this proposal was pending for many years in the parliament for many decades. In 2023, Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, the bill has been passed, which will give 33% reservation of seats in Lok Sabha, State Assembly, and also Delhi. मतलब अभी लेकिन ये implement नहीं हुआ है. It has been passed. पहले तो ये लटका हुआ था. Gender division is an example that some form of social division needs to be expressed in politics. This shows that disadvantaged groups do benefit when social divisions become a political issue. Do you think that women could have made gains be noted about if their unequal treatment was not raised in political domain? It would have never been. अगर women को हम जबरदस्ती नहीं लाएंगे तो नहीं हो सकता. And it is very important. ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चा उसे कोई गलत है. It is very important. सिर्फ पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं. Every sphere we need to give them the freedom. It is not that it is right to enter into politics or wrong to enter. It depends on whether they want to or not. They should not be forced upon. That is the main purpose. अब हमारा आता है एक बहुत important. This is one of the very important. That is religion. When it comes to religion, the division is not as universal as genders. But religious diversity is fairly widespread in the world. मतलब ये सिर्फ हमारे लिए नहीं है. It is there for everyone. ये हर जगह के लिए, इट्स नॉट ओनली फॉर इंडिया. Many countries, including India, have in their population followers of different religion. If you talk about even Sri Lanka, there you have Buddhism, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, सारे कुछ है. As we notice in the case of Northern Ireland, ये आपका मैंने बताया ना, this part particularly is not there. तो वहां पर आयरलैंड के अंदर सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये आई थी कि आयरलैंड में देर आर टू काइंड्स ऑफ पीपल. एक आपके जो है, they are the simple one, that is the Catholics, and second were the Protestants. The Protestants wanted कि जो आपके यूके है, it should be unified with Ireland, whereas आपके जो Protestants हैं, सॉरी जो कैथोलिक्स हैं, they did not. बट हुआ वही था. इट वॉज जब वो पॉलिटिक्स में आया तो प्रोटेस्टेंट्स took the advantage and Ireland is now part of England. As we notice in the case of Northern Ireland, even when most of the people belong to the same religion, there can be serious differences. Unlike gender differences, the religious differences are often expressed in the field of politics. As I said, women वाला सिर्फ घरों से ज्यादा होता है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग इसको देखें ना तो ये बहुत ज्यादा रहता है. Now, what Gandhi ji said, he used to say that religion can never be separated from politics. मतलब when he meant by religion was not any particular religion like Hinduism. Religion मतलब आपका क्या धर्म है. अब आप धर्म को क्या मान रहे हो, हिंदू, मुस्लिम? मेरा धर्म क्या भाई, मुझे बताओ. What is my dharam? What is my religion? To teach. So he did not mean it is Hinduism or Islam, but the moral values that inform all the religions. He believed politics must be guided by the ethics drawn by religion. हमें जो ethical behavior बताया गया है, हमें वो चीज को उसके अंदर लेकर आना है, whatever the religion tells us. He believed that politics must, sorry, human rights group in our country have demanded government should take special steps to prevent communal riots and protect religious minorities. In women movement has argued the family law, और इसके ऊपर even India में जो है, there were what you say movements also, जहां पर there have been certain family laws जो women को protect नहीं करती है. So they have taken it, they have asked the politician to enter, और इंडिया में वो जो ट्रिपल तलाक वाला था उसको उन्होंने हटाया था. All these instances involved a relation between religion and politics, but they do not seem very wrong or dangerous. Ideas, ideals, values drawn from different religions and perhaps should play a role in politics. People should be able to express in politics their need, interest and demand as a member of a religious community. कई बार होता है हमारे साथ में कि हम उस चीज को नहीं कर पाते. Those who hold political power should sometimes be able to regulate the practice of religion. मतलब they should not enter into the religious affairs. और हमारे यहाँ ऐसे बड़े सारे controversies हैं जहां पर the government has entered, but then Supreme Court जो है उसको overrule करता है. Normally the government is not supposed to enter into the religious affairs, but it can definitely regulate it. मतलब अगर उनको लगता है कि इससे इक्वालिटी में फर्क आ रहा है तो it can regulate it. These political acts are not wrong as long as they treat every religion equally. किसी भी religion को आपको नीचा नहीं दिखाना चाहिए. That's one of the very important element. Now, religion से problem कब आती है? Religion से problem कब आती है? The problem begins when religion is seen as the basis of nation. यानी कि अगर आप रिलीजन को अपना नेशन का एक हेड बना देते, every time if you see कि भाई हम इस religion को we are going to give, this religion is better, if you supersede the religion, then it may end in what you call as disintegration. The problems become more acute when religion is expressed in politics in exclusive and partisan terms. मतलब when one religion, मतलब what is the meaning of partisan? Partisan का मतलब होता है when you are supporting one particular thing. मतलब वो आपका political party भी हो सकता है, religion भी हो सकता है. When one religion and its follower are pitted against another, मतलब हमारा जो religion है वो ज्यादा अच्छा है. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे so it is going to be in trouble. It is going to be in trouble. This happens when belief of one religion are presented as superior to other religion. मतलब भाई मेरा रिलीजन सबसे बेस्ट, हमारे रिलीजन में ये बात बोली हुई है, हमारे रिलीजन में वो बात बोली. And also when the demands of one religious group are formed in opposition to another, when state power is used to establish domination of one religious group over the rest. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो उसको हम बोलते हैं कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स. और अगर कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स होता है तो देन द कंट्री में रिजल्ट इन वायलेंस. स्पेसिफिकली अगर आपके नंबर ऑफ पीपल लिविंग ऑफ वन कम्युनिटी इज not very, communal politics is based on the idea that religion is the principal base of social community. यानी कि एक religion जो है वो ज्यादा बड़ा है. Communalism involves thinking along the following lines. That is, the followers of a particular religion must belong to one community. Their fundamental interests are same. Any interest any difference that they may have is irrelevant or trivial for community life. It also follows people who follow different religion cannot belong to the same social community. If the these are superficial and immaterial, their interests are bound to be different and involve a conflict. मतलब हम लोगों को अगर religious अगर हम बोलते हैं communalism, so that means we need to belong to the same area, same kind of belief. In its extreme form, communalism leads to the belief that people belonging to different religions cannot live as equal citizens within one nation. There are some, countries where one particular community or religion is given more privileges than other. So that means वहां पे जो दूसरी community के लोग हैं, they may be feeling alienated. Like in Sri Lanka, it happened. श्रीलंका में हुआ था. हमने पावर शेयरिंग में पढ़ा था that in Sri Lanka what had happened. In Sri Lanka the people felt alienated because the Hindus or the other communities were not given equality. So that is why either one of them has to dominate the rest or they have to form different nations. या तो उनको बिल्कुल अलग होना पड़ेगा या फिर then they have to accept the domination of others. ऐसा आपके जो उसका नाम क्या ऑटोमन एम्पायर वाला था, जो ग्रीस वाला, वो भी यही था. और अगर ऐसा होता है तो देन इट बिकम्स अ वेरी बिग क्वेश्चन. दिस बिलीफ इज फंडामेंटली फ्लॉड. मतलब ये गलत है, ये गलत है. पीपल ऑफ वन रिलीजन डू नॉट हैव द सेम इंटरेस्ट एंड एस्पिरेशन. अगर इवन आप भी हिंदू हो, मैं भी हिंदू हूं, डू वी हैव द सेम थिंग? नो. Even in a family, it is not there. Even in a family, it is not there. I believe in my family that all the gods are equal. I pray to all the gods in the different ways. But it used to be. हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा होता था. No, no, you should not. You are, belonging to this community. तुम्हें गणेश जी की पूजा नहीं करनी. And I used to think it. When my in-laws were there, I would not say anything. मैं तो सारे मंदिर जाती. I don't believe that this is this, this is this. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप एक रिलीजन में हो तो आपकी सोच भी एक होगी, जरूरी नहीं. There are many voices inside every community. Everyone has their own roles. All these voices have the right to be heard. Therefore, any attempt to bring all the followers of one religion together in context or her other than religion is bound to suppress many voices. अगर आप सिर्फ उनकी ही सुनते हो जो आपके अकॉर्डिंग है और बाकियों को आप सप्रेस करोगे तो क्या होगा? इट वुड रिजल्ट इन डेफिनेटली वॉल्केनो. इट वुड रिजल्ट इन वॉल्केनो. एक दिन ऐसा होगा जब लोग गुस्सा हो जाए. अब आपके पेपर का दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. ये आपके पेपर का क्वेश्चन है कि कम्युनलिज्म कैन टेक वेरियस फॉर्म्स इन पॉलिटिक्स. मतलब अगर आप ऐसे बिलीफ को रखकर पॉलिटिक्स को चलाते हो तो देन व्हाट विल हैपन? देयर कैन बी मेनी रिजल्ट्स. व्हाट? फर्स्ट, the most common expression of communalism is in everyday belief. These routinely involve religious prejudice, यानी कि दूसरों को छोटा समझना, stereotypes of religious communities, belief in superiority of one religion over another. This is so common that we often fail to notice even when we believe in it. A communal mind often leads to quest for political dominance of one own. मतलब हमारा रिलीजन ही बेटर है, हमारे रिलीजन में जो बातें कही है वही बेटर है. For those belonging to majority community, this takes the form of majoritarianism. For those belonging to minority, उनको लगेगा कि भैया हमें अलग कर दो. As I said in the case of Sri Lanka. Political mobilization on religious lines is another frequent form of communalism. मतलब using sacred symbol, religious leaders in मतलब emotional appeal, very common not to be spoken. Plain fear in order to bring followers of one religion together in the political area. मतलब अगर ये सच है, ये डर है, मतलब लोगों में डर बिठाना. In electoral politics, this often involves special appeal to the interest or emotions of voters of one religion in preference to others. मतलब एक हम डर बिठा देते हैं कि भाई अगर ये रिलीजन, ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होगा तो दिस विल बी गिविंग सपोर्ट टू ओनली दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन. तो हम उनको ऐसे ही अपील करते हैं. Sometimes communalism takes its most ugly form. ये वन मार्कर क्वेश्चन में आपके आया है. That is आपका riots, massacre, violence. India and Pakistan suffered some of the worst communal riots at the time of partition. I've already told about this in depth. That is, there were number of deaths, murder, maims, rape, conversion on both the sides. तो अगर आप रिलीजियस लाइन पर किसी भी चीज को डिवाइड करोगे तो दैट वुड ओनली डिवाइड द कंट्री. तो क्या करना चाहिए हमें? Communalism was and continues to be one of the major challenges to democracy in our country. The makers of our constitution were aware. That is why they chose the model of a secular state. One, ये आपका क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड रहा है in the boards. मतलब what are the provisions, what are the constitutional provisions that makes India a secular state? जो क्वेश्चन आपका रहा है वो है what are the constitutional provisions that make India a secular state? And you have to write all these. There is no official religion for Indian state. Unlike the status of Buddhism in Sri Lanka, Islam in Pakistan, Christianity in England, our constitution doesn't have it. मतलब हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि इंडिया जो है वो इनके लिए. The constitution provides to all individuals and communities freedom to profess, practice and propagate any religion and not to follow any. मतलब गवर्नमेंट हमको या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हम लोगों को ये नहीं दिया है कि आपको इसी रिलीजन को फॉलो करना, आपकी मर्जी। द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोहिबिट्स डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन ग्राउंड्स ऑफ रिलीजन, मतलब आपको जो है नौकरी या फिर मतलब कि एग्जाम्स, एजुकेशन, anything, everything is on the basis of your merit, not on the basis of what you call as religion. At the same time, the constitution allows the state to intervene in the matters of religion in order to ensure equality within religious. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर हिंदू रिलीजन के अंदर हम नहीं घुस सकते हैं, ठीक है, we cannot, but the constitution has prohibited untouchability, जबकि untouchability is part of the religious system, लेकिन वो करता है। ऐसे ही द गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑल्सो अलाउड, मतलब कि जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इट हैज अलाउड सम ऑफ द रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटीज टू एस्टैब्लिश देयर एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन सो दैट दे आर एबल टू एजुकेट देयर पीपल। मतलब नॉर्मली इट इज नॉट, लेकिन कुछ स्पेसिफिक सर्कमस्टांस में वो इंटरवीन करने की अलाउंस देता है। अंडरस्टूड इन दिस सेंस, secularism is not just an ideology of some parties or person. This constitutes one of foundation of our country. मतलब ये किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं बोलती हम सेक्युलर है, वो नहीं है। इट इज हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बोलता है आप किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में रहो, देयर शुड बी प्रॉपर सेक्युलर स्टेट। Communalism should not be seen as a threat to some people in India. It threatens the very idea of India, and this was done very before the partition only. उसी वक्त में आप में से जो बच्चे 12th में पॉलिटिकल साइंस पढ़ोगे, you will be having the speech of both the prime ministers on either side, जिन्होंने यही प्रॉमिस किया था कि wherever you live, your rights are going to be protected. A secular constitution like ours is necessary, but not sufficient to combat communism. लेकिन उससे भी आप combat नहीं कर सकते। The communal prejudice propaganda needs to be countered in everyday life, and religion-based mobilization needs to be countered in arena. मतलब हमें इन चीजों को रोकना चाहिए। We should not, as a student, as a political science teacher, we must not propagate, we must not talk about any religion as good or bad. आप अपने रिलीजन को आराम से फॉलो करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट डू नॉट सुपरसीड योर रिलीजन इन द पब्लिक लाइफ। आप घर में बात करो, करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, but do not supersede it. That is what we say as communalism or religion. इसमें आपके क्वेश्चंस में ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, communism can take various, and what are the constitutional provision that make India secular, ये दोनों क्वेश्चंस आप इसमें से एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो क्लास 10। नाउ caste is unique to India. मतलब you don't find this thing in other ways. We have seen two instances of expression of social division in arena of politics, one largely positive, another negative. Now the final is caste, जिसका again positive भी है, and unlike gender and religion, caste division is special to India. हमारे यहाँ पर ये है, it's not there in all the countries. All societies and have some kind of social in, मतलब वहां पर ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके वहां पर नहीं है, उनके वहां पर it is in the case of color, racism, हमारे यहाँ पर specifically it is the caste. और ये कास्ट हमारा कैसा रहा है, on the form of the division of labor. In many societies, occupations are passed from one generation to another. कास्ट सिस्टम इज एन एक्सट्रीम फॉर्म, उसी का एक हिस्सा रहा है कास्ट सिस्टम। मतलब हमने क्या कहा था कि जो ब्राह्मण्स होते हैं दे आर अलाउड टू गेट एजुकेटेड, जो क्षत्रिय होते हैं दे आर अलाउड टू टेक द वेपन्स, जो वैश्य होते हैं दे आर अलाउड टू टेक द अकाउंट्स एंड शूद्र होते हैं, तो वही हमारा जो वहां पे ऑक्युपेशनली था, हमने उसको एक कास्ट का सिस्टम दिया. बट what makes it different from other societies that in this system hereditary occupational division was sanctioned by rituals. Members of the same caste group were supposed to form a social community, practice similar occupation, married within the same group, and did not wish to eat with members from other caste. आज भी यूं रहता है. Go to the rural areas, will find it. In the urban areas, will not find. You'll not be hardly finding anybody in the urban areas. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं होता, होता है. But there you cannot stop. Caste system was based on exclusion of and discrimination against the outcast group. What is outcast group? वो group जिसको हमने बिल्कुल अलग कर दिया था. Untouchable. Those who are not allowed to enter into the village. Those who are not allowed to enter into the temples. That is why political leaders and reformers like Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, B.R. Ambedkar, Periyar Nayak Swami advocated and worked to establish a society in which caste equalities are absent. ये आपका 1 marker question है. Partly due to their efforts, partly due to other socio-economic changes, ये आपका 3 marker question है. Caste and caste system in modern India have undergone great changes. मतलब कुछ changes तो आए हैं. अब आपका ये 3 marker question है. This is the question which I have highlighted and this is the answer which we would do. With economic development, large scale urbanization. Urbanization मतलब shifting from rural area to urban, growth of literacy, education, occupational mobility. मतलब अब हम we are not stuck to this occupation. पहले होता था पंडित का बेटा पंडित ही बनता था. नाउ पंडित का बेटा जो है he might be an actor also. The weakening of the position of landlords in the village, the old nation of caste hierarchy अब breakdown हो. मतलब ये कास्ट हिरार्की मतलब ब्राह्मण सबसे टॉप में होता है, फिर क्षत्रिय होता है, तो वो खत्म हो रहे हैं. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इन द अर्बन एरिया इट डज नॉट मैटर हु इज वॉकिंग अलाउंग नेक्स्ट टू अ स्ट्रीट. आप लोग जब खाना खाने जाते हो, डू यू आस्क टू विच कास्ट आर यू बिलोंगिंग? नो. डू यू आस्क कौन है आपके पड़ोस के टेबल में? नो. The Constitution of India prohibited any caste-based discrimination on the foundation of policies to reverse injustice of caste system. If a person who lived a century ago were to return to India, he or she would be greatly surprised to change this. मतलब changes तो आई हैं हमारे अंदर, बहुत सारी changes हैं. अभी हम लोग वैसा नहीं सोचते. Yet ये आपका सेकेंड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द सेम वन. इसमें और में आता है ये क्वेश्चन और में आता है. मतलब चेंजेस हुई भी है, चेंजेस नहीं भी हुई है. क्यों नहीं हुई है? सम ऑफ द ओल्डर एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ कास्ट हैव परसिस्टेड. इवन नाउ मोस्ट पीपल मैरी विद इन देयर कास्ट और ट्राइब. भाई अगर आपने आपके घर में किसी ने आउट ऑफ द कास्ट कर लिया तो बेचारा वो बंदा तो गया. अनटचेबिलिटी हैज नॉट एंडेड कंप्लीटली. मतलब कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तो प्रोहिबिट करता है, लेकिन हम तो उसको तब भी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सेंचुरी ऑफ advantages and disadvantages continue to be felt today. आज भी है. The caste group that had access to education under the old system have done very well. Now they are in the good positions. Those groups who did not have the access to education or were prohibited from acquiring it have naturally lagged behind. और इसी के लिए शायद इंडिया के अंदर जो रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी था उसको डाला गया. That is why there is disproportionately large presence of upper caste among urban middle class in our country. It continues to closely link to economic status. मतलब most of the time, if you see the people who are in the economical, so you will see there is a data. Now, how does caste take various forms in politics? मतलब कास्ट जो है आप उसको पॉलिटिक्स में कैसे लेकर आते हैं, मतलब पॉलिटिकल पार्टी कास्ट को कैसे यूज करते हैं. When parties choose candidates in elections, they keep in mind the caste composition of the electorate and nominate candidates from different castes as to muster necessary support. मतलब अगर उनको लगता है कि उस एरिया के अंदर उस कास्ट के लोग ज्यादा हैं, तो दे वुड मतलब कि रिप्रेजेंट दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जो उस कास्ट को बिलोंग करता है. मतलब दिस इज हाउ दे ट्राई टू मोबिलाइज द वोट. When governments are formed, political parties usually take representatives of different castes and tribes find place in it. Political parties and candidates in election make appeals to caste sentiment to muster support. Some political parties are known to favor some caste. Universal adult franchise and principle of one person, one vote compelled political leader to gear up to the task of mobilizing and securing political support. लेकिन ज्यादा नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज है. It has also brought new conscience among the people of caste that were hitherto मतलब पहले treated as inferior and low. Now they know कि they are equal. They can also stand. They can also cast their vote. The focus on caste in politics can sometimes give an impression that elections are all about caste and nothing else. This is far from true. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है. मतलब even though the political parties may do it, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि वो सक्सेसफुल हो. क्यों? No parliamentary constituency in the country has a clear majority of one single caste. अगर आप कभी भी किसी कास्ट को देखोगे, किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में जीत को देखोगे, तो वो अगर मतलब एक इंसान को 50 वोट मिले हैं तो 50 वोट उसी के अपने कास्ट के नहीं होते हैं. So that means if he wants to win, it is not his people, it is about the entire constituency. So every candidate and party needs to win the confidence of more than one caste and community. No party wins the vote of all the voters of a caste or community. When people say caste is a vote bank of one party, it usually means that a large party of the voters from that caste vote for that party. मतलब ये हमारे यहाँ होता है. And it used to be in the earlier times. Now it is not there. मतलब अभी जो 2 इलेक्शंस हुए उनमें ऐसा नहीं रहा है. पहले तो ये होता था कि एक पर्टिकुलर कास्ट के लोग एक पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को ही सपोर्ट करते थे. Many political parties may put up candidates from the same caste. Some voters have more than one candidate from their caste, while many voters have no candidate. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है ना कि आपके हर कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में उस तरीके के कास्ट के लोग होंगे. The ruling party and the sitting MP or MLA frequently lose elections in our country. अगर किसी कास्ट या कम्युनिटी को हम वोट कर रहे होते तो क्या वो कभी हारते? इस साल भी आप देखो जिन लोगों ने हारे हैं, why they have lost? Because people lost the confidence in them. It was not because they belong to a particular community or caste. Clearly, while caste matters in electoral politics, but other factors also matter. The voters have strong attachment to political parties, which is often stronger than. मैंने सुना है लोगों को. They don't say they vote for this political party. They say the name of the leader. People within the same caste or community have different interests depending on their economic condition. Rich and poor or men and women from same caste often vote very differently. People's assessment of performance of the government and popularity rating of leader matter. वो ज्यादा जरूरी है. लीडर कितना पॉपुलर है. हमारे फर्स्ट 3 इलेक्शंस आफ्टर 1950 was won by single part, मतलब कि एक ही पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने जीता था. And it is always said it was not because the political party was strong, it was because of the strong leadership of that political party. तो हम उस लीडर को देखते हैं. एंड परफॉर्मेंस सेकंड मैटर करता है. एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जिसके सारे कास्ट मेंबर्स हैं एक एरिया में, दे मे नॉट हैव वन बिकॉज वहां काम ही नहीं हुआ था. नेक्स्ट इज पॉलिटिक्स इन कास्ट। पहला था जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है वो कैसे कास्ट को यूज करते हैं अपने फायदे के लिए, और अब है विद इन द कास्ट ऑल्सो कैसे लोग पॉलिटिक्स को लेकर आ जाते हैं। नाउ पॉलिटिक्स डजंट मीन द इलेक्शंस, यहां मतलब आपस का जो मतभेद। We have so far looked at what caste does to politics, but it does not mean that there is only a way relation between caste and politics. Politics too influences caste and politics, caste system and caste identity by bringing them in the political area. It is not politics that gets caste ridden, it is the caste that gets politicized. जैसे each caste group tries to become bigger by incorporating within its neighboring caste, सब caste पहले जिनको वो लोग अपने साथ नहीं रखते थे, अब वो क्या करते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं उनको अपने ही कास्ट में लेकर आ जाए। Various caste groups are required to enter into coalition so that they are entering, मतलब कि कोई उनको अपना मुद्दा पूरा करवाना है तो क्या करते हैं, बाकी कास्ट को भी अपने साथ में ले लेते हैं एंड दे एंटर इनटू अ कोएलिशन साथ में। New kinds of caste group have come in the political area like backward, forward जो पहले नहीं थे। So caste plays different kinds of roles in politics. In some situation, expression of caste differences in politics give many disadvantaged communities the space to demand their share of power. मतलब अगर हम उनको उन कास्ट को जब वो लोग मिलकर अपने मुद्दे को सामने रखते हैं तो उन कम्युनिटीज को जिनको अभी तक नजरअंदाज किया गया था, मे बी दे कम इनटू द मेन एरिया। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन आवर कंट्री दलित्स ओबीसी जो है उनको भी इक्वालिटी मिला है। Several political and non-political organizations have been demanding and agitating to end in discrimination against particular caste, क्योंकि ऐसा होता हमारे यहाँ पर। For more dignity, more access to land, resources and opportunities उनको नहीं मिली है। At the same time, exclusive attention to caste can produce negative results. आप सिर्फ अगर कास्ट को ही रखे रहोगे, किसी भी कास्ट को, that is not going to be healthy. क्योंकि हमारे पास पोवर्टी, डेवलपमेंट, करप्शन बहुत सारे हैं। आप सिर्फ कास्ट को लेकर, कास्टिज्म को लेकर बात करोगे, इट विल रिजल्ट ओनली इन डिविजन्स। समटाइम्स इट मे लीड टू टेंशन, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड इवन वायलेंस। तो अगर हम देखें द लास्ट पार्ट विच आई एक्सप्लेन, मतलब कई जो कास्ट है which have been underprivileged for many years, now they are coming one by one. Now they are using their universal adult franchise, their democratic rights to present themselves, present their problems. And जो politics होता है उनकी ये ड्यूटी होती है कि they have to take care of everyone. You cannot say कि हम इसको नहीं लेंगे, इसको लेंगे, because vote is given by everyone. और अगर आप उनके लिए काम करते तो हो सकता है कि आपको वोट ज्यादा मिले, अपने में से भी मिलेंगे, उनसे भी मिलेंगे। तो अ पॉलिटिशियन, अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हैज टू बी इक्वल टुवर्ड्स ऑल द कास्ट सिस्टम। So when it comes to what we call as the chapter gender, religion और caste, gender हमारा थोड़ा stereotype है, बट अगर हम कास्ट और रिलीजन को लेते हैं तो पॉलिटिशियंस, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, द गवर्नमेंट, दे हैव टू बी इक्वली विजिलेंट टुवर्ड्स द डिमांड्स ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम। किसी भी एक डिफरेंस को, किसी भी एक एरिया को वो नीचे नहीं कर सकते। डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स इक्वालिटी, डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स पीपल्स पार्टिसिपेशन, एंड दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड to look into the desires of all. वही हमारा जो है चैप्टर है which we call as gender, religion and caste.